Tuesday, 15th of December. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So, as you can see, that yesterday itself, the Monday, we have a bit of the dollar weakening as most of the U.S. Appreciation due to the Federal Reserve going to raise interest rate has been priced in, and therefore it triggers a sell off before the Federal Reserve meeting to raise interest rate. Anyway, let's take a look at the AUDUSD Australian dollar. Right, so the day one chart, as you can see, that there is a falling trend line that is resisting the prices. And yesterday itself, we have seen that the pound against Australian dollar has fallen by a total of 330 pips, a very huge drop. And as it was near the falling trend line itself. Right, I just want to bring attention to the trend line right here. There is a rising trend line, a very long stretch once, and we have seen that the price has already broken below, came back again and broken below it once again yesterday. So that really signals for the price to fall further, and therefore, to the smaller time frame in the 4-hour charts, we would like to wait for the price to retrace to a better entry price to go for the sell again. Right, so another reason for the price to drop is because it's at the Fibonacci retracement level 61.8%. Right, so what we do next is to look at the smaller time frame, probably the 1-hourly chart itself, again by using the Fibonacci retracement. Let's wait for the price to retrace. If it goes down further, we will just extend the retracement level, and then we shall just wait for the price to go for the sell again. So that's for the pound against Australian dollar. Next, we have the euro against the US, the Japanese yen, euro against Japanese yen. So what happened is that we have seen that the price has finally begun to rebound off and begin to appreciate as the price got supported at the retracement level of 38.2% at the price of 132.69. But however, if you look at it in the smaller time frame based on the 1-hourly chart, we do have a falling trend channel that is forming right here. And there is a possibility when the price reaches the top, it will begin to fall. And that is also supported by the reason that the key support level is still way below at somewhere the price of 131.61. One reason is that it's a very strong key support level here, as you can see. And of course, second reason is that it is the Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8%. So let's see if we can go for the sell right here. As it reaches the top, and of course on the fundamental level, we do know that the euro may resume depreciation very soon, and the Japanese yen is still kind of strengthening. So that's for euro against the Japanese yen, and next we have the pound against the US dollar. So this is the day one chart again, and we have seen that the price is still appreciating towards the top of the falling trend channel ever since it rebounded off from the bottom. So back at the 4-hourly charts, we do see that they are more the price it has just formed another higher high, came down, got supported and jumped, so another higher low for the charts. So therefore signals for the price to appreciate further towards the top of the falling trend channel. So back to the smaller time frame, we are just waiting to see if we can get a chance to go for the buy. We have in the 15-minute chart, we do see that there's a very steep trend line down here. So probably as the price came down a little bit again, you may want to go for the buy, but you may want to put the stop loss way below the previous low right here. So you should be looking at about a total of 80 pips of stop loss. Of course, we're looking for a profit of over 150 pips in this case. So that still makes sense to go for the buy at this point of time. And that's pretty much for the pound against US dollar. Next we have the Australian dollar against US dollar. So we have seen that the AUD has been appreciating since it touches the low at 0.7159. Continues to appreciate. Now it is somewhere close enough to 73 cents. The so-called new benchmark for the Reserve Bank of Australia to feel uncomfortable in terms of the currency level. So anyway, we are waiting for price to appreciate a little bit further till it touches the key resistance level right here at 0.7297 Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8%. So just a little bit more, and back to the day one chart. Alright. And in this one itself, we have the monetary policy meeting by the Reserve Bank of Australia, which in the meeting itself, we do see that the Reserve Bank of Australia is pretty much concerned with the currency level, as that is the main drive to keep its economy on track in terms of inflation, to transit to more business growth due to a money investment. I'll probably just wait the price to appreciate a little bit further to close to 73 cents. Then we will finally see the price begins to fall again. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the Euro against the US dollar. Still waiting. Alright, of course, we are definitely expecting the Euro to resume depreciation on the fundamental level, especially against the US dollar. So as we can see that the key resistance levels at 1.1117, that was the previous key support and resistance level right here at the retracement level of 61.8%. It's pretty straightforward. We are just waiting for the price to gain a little bit further, or rather retrace a little bit further in the bigger time frame for the better price to go for itself. Next, and we have the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Alright, so yesterday we were actually waiting for the price to retrace all the way back to the trend line before appreciation, but however that didn't really happen, and it has already appreciated from there, working towards the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.6846. Alright, based on the Fibonacci expansion to measure the exhaustion level. So back to day one chart, we can see that that is the key resistance, as that was previous high back in 16th October, in the mid-October itself. So definitely we will be able to see some sell-off right at this level. So you may want to set a sell limit right here, maybe slightly a little bit higher, set about 40-50 pips of stop loss, and we can go for a good profit towards the downside. So that's pretty much for Kiwi against US dollar. Next we have the dollar against Japanese yen. Again, we are waiting for the price to just retrace further back to the key support level at the price of 120.22, as that is a retracement level of 61.8%, and of course previous charts pattern has shown that it is a key support, pretty good support level for price to rebound off from. So price actually did came down, almost touches the retracement level of 61.8%, about 10-12 pips away from that, and begins to rebound off. So let's zoom in the smaller time frame, the 1 hourly charts. So we do see that there's a pretty interesting chart pattern right here at inverse head and shoulder. So if possible, we may want to wait for the price to retrace a little bit to the price of 120.70, and hopefully it does helps to complete the inverse head and shoulder formation and proceed to appreciate from there. So here is a key price to take note of, and if we see that the price begins to pull back again at this level, that will give an opportunity to go for a buy. Alright, so that's for the dollar against Japanese yen, and last but not least, we have the dollar against Swiss franc. Similarly to the dollar against Japanese yen, or rather Euro against the US dollar, price has retraced significantly, and now it is already seen supported at the retracement level of 61.8%, price at 0.9800. In fact, we do see that there's magic candle with confirmation that will already give a signal to go for the buy. But if you have not done so, then let's go into the 1 hourly charts. Hopefully to see that the price came down, touches the support level at 0.800 to go for the buy again, or you may want to just set the buy limit here, set about 40-50 pips stop loss below the price of 0.800. And that's pretty much for the dollar against Swiss franc. So with that, I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.